Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to find grid bearing on a map. Grid bearing is a fundamental skill for land navigation, representing the horizontal angle measured clockwise from grid north to a specific point. Unlike true north or magnetic north, grid north aligns with the vertical lines on your map. Understanding this measurement is crucial for accurately plotting your course and navigating effectively across various terrains. To accurately determine a grid bearing, you will need a few key tools. First, a reliable topographic map with clearly marked grid lines is indispensable. Next, a protractor, especially one designed for map work, allows you to measure angles with precision. Finally, a straight edge, which can be a ruler or even the straight edge of your compass baseplate, is vital for drawing clear lines between your starting point and destination. Let's walk through the steps to measure a grid bearing. First, use a straight edge to draw a fine line on your map from your starting point to your destination. Next, position the center of your protractor precisely over your starting point. Carefully align the protractor's north-south baseline with a vertical grid line on the map, ensuring the 0-degree mark points towards grid north. Finally, read the degree value where your drawn line crosses the protractor's outer scale. This is your grid bearing. When finding grid bearings, always measure clockwise from grid north to maintain consistency. Double-check that your protractor's orienting lines are perfectly parallel with the map's vertical grid lines for maximum accuracy. It is important to remember that a grid bearing is specific to the map's grid. If you plan to use a magnetic compass for navigation, you will need to convert your grid bearing to a magnetic bearing by accounting for the local magnetic declination, which is often found in the map's legend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.